Hi and welcome to this yoga class. Today we have a shorter class which is going to help us wake up the body for the day ahead. All we'll need today is a mat. It's a perfect class to really wake up the body and to start to feel our best before the day ahead. We're not trying to force anything, just really being with whatever's present in the body right now. So we'll come to sit. You can be up on your knees like me or crossing your legs. Close down the eyes. Place your right hand and your left hand in your lap. Seal off the lips. Let the spine be alert, awake, so you're in a position to start to wake up the body. Let the spine grow tall so you're in a position where you can feel a little more awake and alert. Notice if you're clenching somewhere in the face, softening what you can. Breathing in and out through the nose. See if you can start to feel your body in space. Feel your clothes pressing against your skin. Feel the mat underneath you. Maybe the hair on your neck or your head. And I'd like you to think of one word you would like to bring into today's class and through the rest of the day. So this word could be many different things. It could be presence, gratitude, maybe confidence, clarity, just being, whatever we feel is speaking to you today. I think a word I come back to again and again is calm. So feeling that word through your body. Thinking open the eyes, hands to heart center. We'll start with one big sigh. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Inhale. And letting it out. Very nice. Hands to the side, rolling shoulders up and back. We'll start sweeping hands side to side. Bringing a bit of movement into the body. And then eventually, hands out in front of us, arriving in all fours. You sway side to side through the hips. And we'll bring these into cat-cows. Dropping your belly down, inhale, looking up. Moving nice and slow, not too big for these first ones. Trying to make these little small movements. Looking forward and up. Exhale, rounding the spine. You can start to make these a little bit bigger. Can be nice to turn these more into hip circles rather than our linear cat-cows. Coming over the wrists, over the heels. Maybe staying for a breath in child's pose and then pulling ourselves forward. So any movement that feels good here. Release the head, release the neck. And let your breath guide the movement. All that exists right now is you and your breath. Feel your hands pushing down. We'll come to rest in child's pose for just a moment. Hands long, forehead on the mat. And then we'll do thread the needle from child's pose position. Right hand under left arm, left hand reaching forward. Some nice deep breaths here. Other side, left hand under, right hand forward. Coming back up to all fours, walking ourselves slightly forward and starting to dip the hips down, coming into cobra. Exhale, pulling back into child's pose. Rippling forward, lowering down, opening through the chest. Exhale, pulling back. Inhale. Exhale. Breath in, coming forward, spreading the collarbones, looking up. Breath out, back to the hips. Breath in. And breath out. Coming back to our all fours. Any last movements here? A few more circles. And then let's tuck the toes, push back, downward facing dog. Deep bend through your left knee, right heel towards the floor. Maybe it's not touching. Now let's switch sides. Bend your right knee. Straighten your left leg. Big steps. Take your time. And we'll arrive in a deep bend forward fold. Feet slightly wider than normal. Let your head go. Hold opposite elbows. Ragdoll. Both hands to the floor, bending your left knee, reaching your right hand high. Maybe wrapping your hand behind into your hip crease. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reaching high, and exhale, both hands to the mat. Again, any movement here, swaying side to side. And then right hand releases, left hand high, inhale. Exhale, maybe wrapping, opening through the chest. Very nice. Both hands to the floor. Walking your feet wider, feet out, heels in. And bending down into Malasana. Moving side to side, lifting up the heels. Any cracks, any pops in the knees, very welcome. And then whatever it looks like in your body, coming into our yogic squat. So for me, my heels are up. So only when I'm very warm can my heels come down. Hands maybe on the floor or to heart center, opening through the chest. Little smile in the eyes, smile in the lips. Notice if that makes any change, any shift in your mood. See if you can come back to your word. How can you embody that word right now? What would that look like? So for me, with calm, it's going to be a nice deep breath. Inhale. And sighing it out. Right hand on the floor. Inhale, left hand sweeps high. Back to center. Left hand on the floor, right hand high. Back to center. Pressing your feet down, walking your feet back to hip width apart. Again, bending one knee at a time. And then we'll slowly roll all the way up to stand, hands reach overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. So we'll do a few half salutations from here. Inhale, hands reach. Exhale, bending forward. Inhale, sweeping high. Exhale, bend, hands to heart center. Inhale, reaching wide. Exhale, bending forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This time we stay down. Hands to the mat, stepping back into downward facing dog. Dropping your knees. Coming to sit back on your heels. Sitting up nice and tall. Notice all the energy we've started to stir in the body. So we'll finish here up on our heels. Eyes closed or just lightly open. See if we can be fully aware of our breath. We'll take 10 deep breaths together. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Exhale. 9. Inhale. Exhale. 10. Deep inhale through the nose and sighing it out. Hands to heart center, bowing down towards yourself. Thanking yourself for this time, carrying whatever word you chose with you throughout the day. I wish you a beautiful day ahead, and I'll see you another class soon. Bye.